Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. First of all, we have to open the camera app, so let's tap on it, and basically firstly we have to switch the modes, so we have to enter the video one. Let's tap on the video, it should be on the right from the camera, and as you can see, if you can see this kind of dot inside the shutter button, and if the video is highlighted in this bluish color, then it means that for sure you're on the video mode and you can record videos. So now we have to unroll the options, so let's simply swipe your finger down, and as you can see we've got this kind of pop-out window, and we've got the resolution right in the middle. We've got two different options. Currently we've got the FHD, so full HD option with 1080p, and we've got 4K also. So we can tap on it and it will be immediately set, which simply means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. What's more, we've got also the frames per second, which are usually connected to the resolution. You can pick from 30 to 60 frames per second. It's up to you. The same situation, just tap on the option you'd like to use in particular option of the resolution. As you can see in the resolution, in the FHD resolution, we've got the additional option of automatic frames per second. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.